Legend of Taurus.
Oh, heater, Will. Oh, heater, Chris.
Oh,
heater, water. Oh, heater, camera. How's everybody doing today? We got Will here. We got Chris. Yeah. And today, we got our friend Boiling Water.
That looks so cool.
You're probably, and our friend Butter. Today, we are doing the, exactly, you can't believe it. Why is margarine not butter? Like, you can't believe it.
I can believe it.
I hate margarine.
Margarine's awful.
Margarine's amazing.
I hate it.
It's because I grew up eating margarine.
Alright, pull right there.
Alright, pull right, pull,
You think so?
yeah,
Okay.
pull up there in the cards. What's better, margarine, butter,
Or applesauce.
applesauce? Yeah, margarine, butter, applesauce.
Why?
What is better on toast? Margarine, butter, or applesauce? There we go.
Butter.
Then vote in the cards. Yeah, vote in the cards if you think it's butter. So we today are doing the hot water challenge. I won't put any details into it until the water is ready.
Yeah, you know, guys, I'm over here playing with my meat, you know.
What's that? Your Genoa meat?
I'm playing with my meat. My mild salami.
Somebody touch him with my salami!
So Devin, what happened?
So me and Will, so I played What Are the Odds with Will to eat a dog treat, and I lost, so I gotta eat a dog treat. I got Chris filming over there too, but I really want to eat a dog treat. Hi guys, my name's Steezy Wonderbread, and welcome back to Wonderbread's Food Reviews. So today we are reviewing half of a milk bone treat. Normally they're dog foods, but we ran out of food ideas for our channel, so we moved on to dog and cat food, and moving on soon to bird feed and fish eggs. Alright, we are now prepared to have the meal of our life. I don't know how people do this. Alright. Oh my god, this thing smells for some reason. Alright. Pineapple queef. Oh god, oh my god.
Nice. Screw Tide Pods, man, and you're changing this thing in toothpaste.
And that's Chef Wonderbread's review on dog food treats. I give it a like a 0.0001 out of like 25. Oh my god. Whatever you do, don't eat dog food at home. If you do, good for you. But if I don't like it. Welcome back to Will's chef video. Today we make boiling.
And then throw it off the
Alright,
jack.
it's coming.
Let's go.
This is really hot, boys.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Look at that, nice. Alright guys, before we get this challenge started, or this sort of really cool thing, I just want to give a shout out to our filmer today, which is Will. His Instagram will be on the screen right here.
YouTube too.
And his YouTube channel will also be in the description below. I will permanently tag it there, so if you guys ever want to go see Will, it'll always be in the description.
I swear, if I would just drop this right now.
Alright, you guys are ready? 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
filming?
Yeah.
Yes!
Dude!
Dude, it's not done.
Whoa!
That was so sick!
Whoa! Yeah. Oh.
Yo. This is so cool. Oh, it went on my GoPro.
Yo, I spoiled me for so long. That was awesome.
That was awesome. Oh, dude, my GoPro just got like soaked by the aftermath. Oh, that was so cool. All right, guys, so we just finished our boiling water challenge thing. We throw it off the deck, and what it does is it literally just mists up in steam. So right now, we are going to go to the garage with Will.
Or maybe soften the roads because I don't sweat in these shoes. Now I'm going to ride. So we're just going to try to get some cycles here.
All right, guys, so I have my scooter. We're in Will's garage. We're about to just get some classic flat clips. Just to fill in the blanks, sort of, I'll post, I just have a few random clips that I have. So last week we went to the incline. I unfortunately did not film a vlog. If you want to see Connor Murphy's vlog, go to his channel in the description down below. But here are a few sort of like filler clips from that incline that I got last week.
Legend of Taurus.
Really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like down below. Let's get at least 10 likes on this video. And go up to the cards if you think what's better on toast is butter, margarine, or applesauce. Don't forget. All right, so let's go to this garage.